Hello everyone and welcome to my new video on Solana price analysis and technical details. We're holding the line, folks. We must see what's happening behind the numbers, especially with the charts and all the details that are meaningful for potential price action movements. Today we're going to discover what's happening behind the door. However, make sure to follow my main YouTube channel where I have live trading videos, ChatGPT bot trading, and the ability for you guys to participate in our bot trading. I'm going to talk about that at the end of this video. In the meantime, we're going to take care about Solana as stated, and there is a huge risk around FTX forthcoming liquidation on Solana. There is basically a discussion on the topic with the fact that according to insider reports, cryptocurrency exchange FTX is preparing to liquidate a whopping 628 million worth of Solana. This is quite a lot, and if it turns out to be accurate, the impact on the market is going to be significant, which means that we need to be careful these days. If this plays out, which is having a certainty level as well as an uncertainty level, then obviously the sell-off will be strong, probably between $5 to $8 at least. Therefore, $628 million worth of Solana is a significant level for the current price action of Solana, which is actually suffering, folks. I mean, it's priced at $18.9. It is definitely having some volume out there, $374 million. A lot of the people have been jumping off the ban in the past 7 days. Take a look what's happening with the altcoins. Usually you have Ethereum 1.64, Binance Coin 1.5, XRP 3.7, Dogecoin 2.2, Cardano 4%, but Solana is double than that. It's sitting at 8%, which is a significant value compared to other altcoins in the sector during the past 7 days, and it's all happening because of the FTX probable situation out there on the rise. So we're gonna see what's happening on the charts, which is very important for us to discuss based on reality of the market. Now, we are clearly without any way of counter-attacking the prediction of a totally dominated bearish sentiment. Totally dominated bearish sentiment is on the domination. The period of July has sort of a way ended our growth toward 30,000, 30 bucks, not 30,000. Wish I would have a 30 grand position here on Solana. It's just 30 bucks, which is still fine compared to what it used to be a couple of years ago. However, getting back on the topic, folks, with it suffered big time, especially, and I will say especially, when we formed this top and we broke under the system structure. We had a great system structure, we broke below that right there, and we have entered in the accelerated phase of the downtrend. Whether we had a great support here that was reacting twice, it doesn't matter. When your support is going down, you can still get supported by the line and be in a downtrending movement with the price action declining. So it doesn't matter that efficiently like an uptrend support, which is actually contributing to increases of the price. Support here do not necessarily means that the price action will increase if it reacts on the line. Unfortunately, I say, because people make this confusion. Now, the blue zone you see right there, which is coming through the way of beginning of June, is actually a supply level. Supply levels are having the tendency to reject, to sort of a way trigger selling pressure. And this is exactly what has been going through August, which is obviously not a great sign as well. We had a structure over here of trading towards a system that we have lost, but then the retest of the structure has acted as a resistance when we did that. 1.272 Fibonacci retracement level is on the rise. We have the 1.414 holding the line and then losing that one as well. So Solana for the past couple of weeks is constantly adding towards bearish indication and punishment downwards. I would not be surprised to see the price action of Solana in the next few months around $10 or even with a terrible price action on a single digit below $10. Now, we are supposed to be accurate on the numbers. This is 1.618 Fibonacci holding right now. That's a very strong level, by the way, folks. And at the same time, if Solana is going to face selling pressure from FTX, you need to understand something. There might be a chance for a lot of people to buy in cheap, to buy in low, to take advantage of the heavily dumped price action, which is going to clear sort of away Solana's trouble with the FTX in some words, which means that the cryptocurrency's price action will sort of away become free from that point. What was to be dumped, it has been dumped. What was to be sold with a panic, it has been sold. Now we're actually free to reconstruct and build, whether we talk about a price action, but at the same time around the confidence. This is what people suffer around Solana, confidence. So that's something you need to consider, that there might be a very quick purchase on that sell-off from the FTX if it appears to be happening. So keep in mind that there are certain levels indicated here by the Fibonacci retracement, 14.8, but these things are all going to disappear and die when the selling pressure comes from the FTX, if it comes. Due to the fact that a highly emotional movement, people would like to participate and take advantage of a quick money. I'm telling you, Solana is going to do 1% in 5 seconds at a time we deal with such momentum. So be careful on high leverage, be careful on dealing with the margins and futures, derivatives, everything that sounds similar to the leverage situation. Be careful. It is not a moment to be speculating on anything that means high risk. At the same time, conservative or intermediate approach traders should not touch such cryptocurrencies during such circumstances under any conditions. No matter you would like to make money, you definitely need to know the fact that your desire is not the source of action of the market, so you need to step down from thinking like that. Have a good time, folks. From this specific moment on, I'd like to talk about the AI bot trading for those of you that would like to join my journey. This is my performance listed on the left side of the page, a page which is not a fancy sales letter, it's not copywriting, it's not that kind of thing that it's trying to push you to be selling. No, this is my personal activity, my personal approach. If you would like to join on board, there's chances, no upfront fees, only commission from pure profits achieved. Very simple. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. We do the trading completely outsourced through API trading permission. We prefer to work with Bybit, Binance, BitMEX, usually on API trading, and we are having this specific approach, which is quite simple. Drop me an email to my contact or simply complete a form to participate. All the links can be found in the description area or comments area of this video. At the same time, if you believe education is important and it matters something for your performance, improving your skills is something that you would like to do, so make sure to check out scrembocoaching.com, the coaching program that I have one-on-one live with me intensively between 4 to 6 weeks, where together we're going to work on becoming and making a great trader. Whether we don't do this part-time or full-time, I think extra resources and money during this difficult times all around the space. For the middle class, life is becoming more and more intense. So an extra source of income from trading for long term, especially compounding and having a great representation after the bull run begins. I'm telling you, people that did this in the past bull run have ended up with hundreds of thousands of dollars from even low numbers such as $5,000-$10,000 starting budgets. So that's definitely worth to take the risk. At the same time, education is important, takes time, and needs to be practiced. So take your time for this process, folks. Do not expect to make money from the crypto space without education that is sustainable, folks. So it is a pure gambling and a joking if you do not get yourself educated. The most price you should pay in life, besides your health, should be the education. That is the strongest investment you can do. That's it for today, folks. I have other videos as well on the board I'm about to publish. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'm seeing you soon.